Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take hands-free pictures on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, here I have opened my phone, and first of all, we can open our camera application on our Samsung Galaxy phone. And after we have our camera application opened, we can go to the camera settings. So we can tap on the settings icon on the top left corner of our screen, and we can scroll down and we have to select the shooting methods option. Tap on this option, and here you can activate this feature, this show palm feature. Click on the circle button to activate it. Okay, and now my feature or my show palm feature has been activated, and we will be able to take hands-free picture with our camera. And I'm going to go back and demonstrate it to you. I'm going to show my palm like this. And wait for a moment until the camera recognizes my hands. Okay, like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can take hands-free pictures on our Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.